In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a light bulb switch. Welcome back to the channel, guys, where automotive and electronics comes together to form my passion. Now, the reason why I'm showing all this DIY electrical stuff is because most people will call an electrician to do something that's very simple. If you can do this hand motion like this and the other way as well, anti-clockwise, that means you're quite capable of changing a light switch by yourself. So without any further introduction, let's get started. So the few tools that you might need. Number one, you will need a light in case you're working in the dark. Number two, you need a screwdriver set, or if you don't have a screwdriver set, one big, one small flat screwdrivers, one big, one small star screwdrivers, and the final piece, a light bulb switch, well, a replacement one. Now, the reason why you might want to change a light bulb switch is either because you broke it, it's cracked, it looks ugly, it's old. So these light bulbs are relatively inexpensive, so changing them yourself is a no-brainer. Let's get started. Okay, the procedure into changing your light bulb switch. Number one, put your mains off or your DV switch off. It just looks like a double lever and it should be a different color from all the other switches on the DV switch off. If you are a bit skeptical about this, switch all the switches off on your DV or your box that controls your electricity. And once you're done with that, you want to then go back and make sure your light is not working. If it is working, you got a serious issue at hand and you need to call the electrician then to sort that out. If it's not, then you have finally done something right. Thereafter, you're then gonna, step number two is then unscrew the old light switch. The old light switch will normally have a what you call this thing, two screws sticking out, two flat screws sticking out. If not, it might have a cover over it, as I'll show you now, which you remove off by putting a flat screwdriver under and prying it out. Once you're done with that, you're going to remove the two screws on the inner end, and once you remove those two screws, your light bulb switch will fall out. Now the newer light switches are a direct replacement for the old light boxes anyway. So the light surrounds and stuff like that, they on the inside of the light box you don't have to worry about. Thereafter, you're gonna unscrew the two cables that are connected to the light switch. Now it doesn't really matter because both cables will be supplying electricity to the light. One's live and one's supplying electricity to the light. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew both cables using a small flat screwdriver or a small star screwdriver. You pull the two cables out. You're going to then take your light switch here, your new one. You're going to take it out of its packaging, take off all the clips, etc. and the screws that are included with it and leave them one side. Now you're just going to have the light switch only. You can then screw in the two cables that you took out from your previous light switch onto the new one. Once you're done screwing that on, you're then going to put your two screws that hold this light switch to the light box. Sometimes it's also 4 screws, so just keep a lookout for that. But 2 screws is more than sufficient. Once you're done with that, you want to then not tightly screw it, just lightly screw it on and align your light switch a little bit. Once you're done with aligning your light switch, you're then gonna tighten your screws fully. Thereafter, it's just a matter of pushing the clip on or your face on of your light switch to hide the screws. and then switching your mains on and testing it. Once it's tested and it's working, then you have successfully replaced your light switch. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and click on the notification bell for daily videos coming soon.